DRDO introduces Raksha Kavach, a multi-layered surveillance and defense system for protection of critical assets and lives. First layer, satellite surveillance, detecting potential threats in real time. Alerts are sent to the control center, which quickly notifies the AWACS for surveillance in the second layer. The AWACS system reverts back to the control center with crucial information. Third layer, long-range radar ground surveillance. Based on these cues, long-range radar scans the area of the incoming threat and sends the signals to the command center. All surveillance systems work together to detect and send the signals to control center, creating a multi-layered surveillance. The control center creates a protected zone by neutralizing every threat which enters the zone. The control center directs missile launchers to intercept threats. Further, the protected zone comprises 3 protection layers. Surface-to-air missiles neutralize enemy missiles and aircrafts. Electronic warfare-based soft kill system jam and damages the avionics and sensors on the enemy targets. Directed energy weapons based on lasers hard kill the targets through precision beam pointing. Thus, the DRDO's Raksha Kavach provides multi-layered protection zone against threats like missiles, fighters and drones. DRDO ensuring future-proof national security.